Hey guys, so then we're gonna be looking at the air purifier mini version of the air sterilizer, basically. This one has 3 speeds, has a UV light. It releases negative ions into the air, and it kills what's PM 2.5, which is like the small particles in the air that could cause like allergies and dust reactions and stuff like that. Like you can barely see it. So let's unbox it and try it out. Here you have a manual and a remote control. And we have our purifier. From the top, this is where your information is going to be at. UV light in the back right here. And this has a filter that opens up from back here, which has to be changed every so many hours of use. It's in the manual, the specifics. But yeah, this filter goes in here. You have to put this cap or lid back on. And now let's plug it in and go to the menu settings. Alright, so we have our purifier on. You have your on button here, your UV light in the back. Turn it on and off. Here you have your temperature in Celsius. Here you'll have your PM count once it starts going. It gives you a reading of your air quality once it starts actually, bringing air in and bringing it back out. So your air quality is orange right now, so not so good, but it's gonna obviously progress and get better. That's what we got the purifier for. Your fan speed here. Your negative ions button, if you want to use that, it's here. Come off and on. And you have modes here. You have a silent mode, sleeper. You have a timer too. And with the UV light, it was saying if you're gonna run it for at least an hour with UV light, you want to let the room air out for around 30 minutes. That's pretty much it. There's nothing in the bag. In the bag, just a handle. This is what it fully looks like. And that's it.